Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I will teach how we can make the support for the cable tray. I already modeled the pipe rack on which cable tray is routed. So go to the tasks and select hangers and support into which then we have to select the first option, place support by structure. You can choose second or third also, but the easiest method when you have the beam or any structure nearby, select the first option. Okay, after that click on the feature. Yeah, here you can read, select one or more feature to the support. So our feature means onto which the support which support will be model. So this is our cable tray. So I select that and click on the right. Before that you have to give the system. So uh, I make the hierarchy in which the tray into the tray this support will be saved in the hierarchy. So after selecting the system, click on that right icon, accept. Then as you see, after clicking on the right icon here, type we have to choose. So go to the types, maximize that, click on the more. Then choose on your screen. This will be show. So you have to maximize that, maximize, and again maximize. So cable tray hanger support will come. So click on that. There are other different cable trays. Support option. So best one is city hold down clamp. Click on that, click on the OK. Then as you see, first upon we select the place support by structure. So now we have to choose the structure on which cable tray will be hang. So this is our structure beam. As you see, after clicking on that beam, it will be highlighted in yellow color. So after this highlight will appear, click on that uh, right button. So and last you have to click on the finish. So you see this cable tray successfully model. So in helicopter view you can watch, as you see, successfully and perfectly our cable tray support will be modeled. So in this way I model all the support on this pipe rack. So this is the easiest method onto which we can model the support for cable tray. In upcoming video I will make the more video related to support piping as well as cable tray, and more such upcoming videos. You have to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.